Hey MTS crew, what's going on? I hope it's all good in the neighborhood. I decided to go ahead. My grandson has been asking me to make my chocolate chip cookies. I have a recipe on, and I'm gonna put it in the description box when we're finished, and the recipe to this. But I'm gonna take y'all along as I make my grandson's Noah's favorite chocolate chip cookies. Okay, let's get started. Y'all, we have 2 sticks of cold butter, not room temperature, y'all. This butter has to be cold. Okay, let's go ahead and okay, y'all, we have our butter all creamed and smooth. We're gonna push this down in here. These are very easy, and I'll give you the recipe. Okay, 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 let's go ahead, put this on low beat for now. We have 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar. So we'll go ahead and add that in there. Let's beat this together. Okay, y'all, let's go in with 2 eggs, room temperature. We're gonna let that be. Okay, y'all, we're going in with a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. 2 cups of flour. Oh, you see all that dust, y'all? So, hey, Sister Pam.
Hey, MTS crew.
Sister Pam has got to hold it. Okay, MTS crew, we got that little malfunction together. I look like the Pillsbury Doughboy. We're gonna put in a cup of pecans. We're gonna put in a cup of walnut. We're gonna put in a cup of Reese's Pieces and a cup of semi-sweet chocolate. Okay. And you're gonna start to create this little ball. We're gonna let this mix. Okay, y'all, this is how our chunky chocolate chip cookie dough looks. So we're gonna get ready to put them on a pan, but I'm gonna use scoop. You can use a small scoop or a large scoop. I want these to be large cookies, so I'm gonna use a large scoop. So let's get going with getting these cookies on the pan. Sorry about that little mishap, y'all, but the recipe to these cookies are gonna be down below. Okay, y'all, we have the cookies on the cookie sheet. I use this scoop, and you can also use the smaller one. This is a larger scoop. I don't know, I think is it 9 inches? I can't see that, but when I want to make the cookies smaller, I do use a small scoop, but this is a large one because I want these cookies to be thick, crunchy. I mean, thick, chewy, and crunchy with the nuts in there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put these in the oven at 350 degrees for 12 minutes. And when you put these on your cookie sheet, make sure you give them room because these do spread. Okay, so let's go ahead and get these cookies in the oven. Y'all, the first batch of my cookies are ready, and these are going to be gifted in my gift box. And this is about 6 cookies per box. And I'm giving away this and my candies and cakes. And these are going to be my holiday gifts. Absolutely delicious, y'all. Chocolate chip cookies.